Hey guys, Rohan found this really fun game which lets you plan and build your own city like this. While building this city, Rohan realized that a city's functioning is very similar to that of a cell. In fact, the parts of a cell can be compared to the parts of a city. Here's how. Rohan's city has a boundary that acts as a protective wall and separates it from other cities. Plant cells have something very similar to this. They have a rigid wall that protects them. We call this the cell wall. If you look closely, you will see that Rohan's city has another boundary that controls the entry and exit of people and things. Do cells have a similar boundary? Yes, they do. It's called the cell membrane or plasma membrane. The land or surface of a city on which houses, buildings, factories, and other constructions are built can be compared to the cytoplasm in a cell. The cytoplasm of a cell holds its different components together. Did you notice this fancy building in Rohan city? This is the municipal corporation and it is in charge of the city's administrative work. Can you guess which component of cells is similar to this? Right, the nucleus. It is a nucleus that controls all the activities that take place within the cell. Most cities also have industrial units to produce almost anything their people might need. In a cell, the endoplasmic reticulum serves as an industrial unit and produces the different substances that the cell might need. The substances produced by the endoplasmic reticulum are processed and carried to different locations in a cell by the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus can therefore be compared to the packaging and dispatch unit of a city. To function, a city needs electricity, and this electricity is produced in power plants. Similarly, every cell has a power plant that produces the energy it requires to function. This power plant in a cell is called mitochondria. Now, a city cannot function without water either, hence, cities have water tanks to store water for drinking, washing, and other purposes. Similarly, every cell has a vacuole which stores water for the cell. Where in cities do you think people go to eat hot, yummy food? At restaurants. Then where in cells do you think food is prepared? In the chloroplast. The chloroplast acts as a hotel and provides food for the cell. Now do you see how cities are similar to cells? And think about this. Isn't it fascinating that cities, despite being man-made, are so similar to the smallest unit of life?